first day at school at UCF. My neighbors are like so loud. Good morning, you guys. Today is January 8th. It is 9:57 in the morning. It's almost 10 o'clock and I have just gotten up and I'm ready for my first day at school at UCF. I'm freaking nervous. I have gotten dressed and now I'm just doing makeup. I have class at 1:30, but I'm probably gonna leave around 12 just so I can give myself like enough time to walk over there from the shuttle and to just find it and just take my time and be kind of leisurely about it, just because it is my first day and it's gonna be a lot of people and I just want to like not have to rush and be nervous about anything. I have my three classes today. I have my sociology class, and then after my sociology class I have my RTV class, one of them. It should be pretty easy, and then I have classes tomorrow, and I have actually classes Monday through Friday, which kind of sucks, but my Friday class ends at 2:30, so I will have like the night free. If I want to go home for the weekend, I can just go after class, or if I want to go out that night or whatever it may be. So that's really good. I don't know if my roommates are awake or they left class already, so sorry if I'm a little whispery. Yeah, but I'm gonna finish getting ready and I'll see you guys in a little bit. Hey everyone, so I am finished getting ready. I ate breakfast. It is currently 10:56, almost 11 o'clock, so I'm just gonna relax for a little bit longer and then leave around 12 o'clock to go to my classes and get on campus. Hello there everyone. So it is actually a lot later in the day. It's now 10 o'clock at night. I suck at vlogging, especially in public. I can't do it. But today I have my two classes. I'm back at home now and I haven't really been doing much. So just like running through my day. So my first class, which is sociology, it was pretty cool. Most of our stuff is going to be online, which is nice and bad. I mean, whatever, we'll see how it goes. The teacher seems nice. It's in a lecture hall with 400 seats. Not 400 people were there, but it's really cool. I've never been in a lectures hall before. You know, I'm coming from a state college. You know, our biggest class size was like 30 kids, so it's weird being in class with like 100 kids. But I did that, and then after that class I actually met up with a fellow YouTuber. Her name's Carly Kimby. Hey girl. I know she went to UCF. I DM'd her. We met up at Starbucks and just literally talked my whole break between 2:20 and 4:15ish. I had class at 4:30, so yeah, we literally just hung out for a few hours and just talked about everything. And I had my other class, which was my RTV 3511 class. I don't know what the actual like class is. I think it's something with the production. I've looked online like the website, the syllabus, to see what the actual name of the class is, but I can't seem to find it anywhere. But that class seemed really cool. The professor seems really cool. After class I actually went to the campus bookstore and I picked up some things. Actually picked up a sweatshirt. It just looks like this. The one I wanted that had said just UCF on it, they didn't have my sizes. So I actually just picked up this one, which is still cute, and I wanted a medium because I like it bigger and oversized. And then this shirt was on sale, so I thought I'd pick it up. I got it in an extra large. I usually like to wear these big comfy oversized sweaters to like class with leggings, and I picked up some Scantrons because I needed those. That's what I did after my second class of the day. Then I went home, took a little bit of a nap. I spoke with my mom on the phone, I spoke with my friend Rachel on the phone, and now I'm just looking up textbooks. I'm gonna end the vlog here because nothing else is gonna happen. I'm probably just gonna continue watching videos and then get to sleep tonight. I hope you guys enjoy, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye! Good morning. I just woke up. Actually, I probably woke up about 2 hours ago, but I've just been laying in bed on my phone, not really doing anything. But it's now almost 12 o'clock. It is 11:52, and I have class today, just one at 4:30, but I want to go early to my campus to the school so I can get some textbooks. I think they price match Amazon, so I'm really hoping I could rent some textbooks for cheap. I am going to go do that earlier today as well before class. Probably leave around 2 o'clock, something like that, 2:30 maybe. But yeah, that's really all I'm doing today. Okay, so it's a little bit later now. Actually, just ate breakfast, had some waffles, chocolate chip, very good. And I actually met my third roommate, which I haven't met yet, and she's really cool, so that's good. And now I'm just gonna edit, I think, and then get ready a little bit to go to campus a little early. Wait, I didn't even get you. Hello there everyone! Hi! So it's actually been quite a while since the last time I spoke to you guys. It is currently 6:46 and I just got home from campus. It was a stressful day. I just had one class, but it was such a long day. I'm very exhausted. Oh, sorry I didn't really vlog a lot on campus. I just get anxious, and also there's just so many people and there's so much going on. I just don't even really think about looking at my camera or my phone or whatever. I try to get as many clips as I can, but it's just very busy, and I still don't really know my way around campus yet, and I'm still kind of learning the ropes of things. So sorry if this vlog or these past two vlogs weren't the best, but I'm gonna end the vlog here. I'm very tired. I'm gonna take off my makeup and probably go to sleep. These past 2 days have been so much exposure and just been a lot, so I need to just relax for a bit. So I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, please give it a big okay, I'm not gone yet. I want to quickly vlog one more time because my neighbors are like so loud. Like, they're so loud. Don't know if you could hear that, but there's this like faint noise, like loud music, like loud bass, and they fucking play it every day on and off throughout the day. And I think there's guys underneath me and they always like scream at like whatever game they're watching. If they're watching out outside on the porch or something, because they're so loud underneath me, and I don't know if this music is coming from the same guys downstairs or like the one over there or just like across the hall. I don't know what's going on, but it's like it gives me a headache. But I'm gonna end the vlog now. Alright, bye guys, thank you so much for watching. Like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Peace.